When you come for the Indus Valley civilization, next we will see about the agriculture. They started to cultivate the wheat, barley, millets, many types of millets, and they used to have follow the double cropping. Double cropping means one crop grows, after that in the same land they will cultivate the other type of food to grow. Okay, so they followed the double cropping. They know the pastoralism. They reared cattle, sheep, goat. They had the knowledge of the elephants, but they don't have the knowledge of the horse. The Harappan cattle are called as zebu. This has a large breed during the time of Harappan civilization. When you come for pottery, pottery Harappan use the painted pots. The potteries have a deep red and black slips. Paintings. The pottery has shapes like dishon, stands, storage jars, perforated jars, goblets, storage goblets, S-shaped jar. So all the types they have used. They painted the motifs. They depict people tree, leaves, fish scale, design, intersecting circle, zigzag, horizontal band, geometrical motifs. Motif means the shape of the one carving on the pot. Okay. These are about the pottery. When you come for metal, tools and weapons, they started to use the object of the copper, bone, ivory, and they don't have the knowledge of iron, but they have a very much knowledge of copper. The tool and equipments such as points, chisel, needles, fish hooks, then these are made of bronze. The chisel made out of rohiri chert. Chisel. Find the meaning for chisel. And they started the use of the weapons like bow, arrows, spears, blade, axe, all this one. They started to use as a weapons. They have the bronze image of dancing girl from Mohenjo-daro. This is used as a wax process. I told rohiri chert, this is a raw material obtained in the particular this place in Pakistan. Okay girls, the rohiri chert. In this place the raw material for this tools, weapons, metals, they have a raw material, so that they are called as a rohiri chert. When you come for textiles and ornaments, the Harappan used the metals, stone ornaments. Apart from that, they had shell bangles. All they have used. Some of them had exchanges designs of the Harappan and exported to the Mesopotamian region also. Next, when you see about the trade and exchange, they had trade relations with Mesopotamia, particularly the places Oman, Bahrain, then Iran, Iraq. They had a trade relations with West Asian countries, all these in the western sides. So the cuneiform records, inscriptions says about the trade contact between the Indus and the Mesopotamian civilization, particularly Meluha, that is a cuneiform inscription. The name of the inscription was Meluha. When you come for weights and measures, they started to have a proper weight and measures. They started to use a system for the commercial transaction. They needed of the standard measurement for the commercial one. Now you might have seen in the news telecast and all, at the last they might have say about the census. whether it has come down or grown up. So according to the share market. So for that commercial one, to keep the common measurements, they used to have a commercial for that. They needed a standard measures. So cubical chart they founded in the Harappan sites. Copper plates was used for weighing balances. The weight point for the knowledge for that, they used a binary system. They started to use the ratios. When you come for seal, script, all they have used the media as a steelite, copper, terracotta and ivory are found in the Harappan sites. They had a trade activities. The script was disappeared about 5,000 text. 5,000 text. This has documented from the Harappan sites. So all the scripts were written in the Dravidian language. Okay, when you come for art and amusement, they started to use the terracotta paintings on the pottery, bronze images from the Harappan sites. They had artistic skills of the Harappans. This and all shows of the Harappans' skills. So, dancing girl made of bronze from the Mohenjo-daro is the stone sculpture from the Harappa. Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira are the important objects of the art. They used to have a toy carts, rattles. For the small baby they used to buy. Rattles which was hanged in the, what you can say, to lie down of the baby's cradle. So these all made in the terracotta. These are the art and amusement. The religion, they worshipped with the nature, particularly the people tree. They think this is as a mother goddess. Some terracotta figures they feel as a mother goddess. So all these have mentioned, and about the burials, cremation, all this have mentioned in the religion. Next they have original inhabitants. The script says about that they spoke of the Dravidian language, evidence, archaeological evidence, the movements of the Harappans, all has say in the Harappan sites, and slowly it has a decline of the Indus civilization. Because Harappan people moved to some other parts of the India. So Indus civilization has more than one group of people, several groups including farmers, pastoralists, hunter-gatherers. All this has belonged to the Harappan civilization. So slowly the Indus culture has declined because of the drying up and flooding of many cities. Because of this flood only, this was become vanished. So even if it is disappeared, we are continuing this culture only. So all these about the Indus Valley civilization. And one thing I have to say for you, all this one has settled near the rivers. So sometimes it's called as a river valley civilization. When I ask how many river or valley civilization are there, means you can say that is Egyptian, Mesopotamian, Chinese, all on the river banks of the river. Why they are settling in the banks of the river? Because it can be useful for the trade purpose, commercial, and it will be fertile for the agriculture, everything. Okay girls, that's all of this lesson. ancient civilization. How many civilization we have come across, girls? 4 civilization. What are they? Yes, Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Chinese civilization, and Indus Valley civilization. Okay, girls, read the lesson, girls. Read the each line of the lesson is very important, girls. Thank you, girls.